About to get it stitched up, y'all. Finally. Been down here 50,000 damn years. Some bullshit. Whole little tink think. I bet y'all watch what I do in the kitchen this time.
Yeah, let's slide up a little bit more that way. So wow, that's all.
I'm just saying, isn't it like sewing pants?
You like filming things. So what do you do for a living?
Customer service. I work for a vision insurance company.
Okay. That's the worst. See? It wasn't that
He
bad.
trying to hurt me, y'all. He trying to hurt me.
Right, this is just going to feel cold.
I feel that.
Does it hurt that badly or you just feeling pressure?
Like a pinch.
Yeah, that's normal. Now, when you go to the dentist, you get reshot over and over again? Mm-hmm. Okay, so you're one of those problem people.
Mm-hmm.
What's the matter?
It just hurts.
It hurts because you looking at it or hurts?
It hurt, period.
Me making ties hurts?
No.
Okay.
It's just painful.
It's basically stabbing yourself.
Yeah, that part.
I'm assuming that you didn't want that salmon too bad.
I didn't get to eat none of it before I came.
Wow.
It's still on the stove. I said, God damn, I didn't get to eat that.
You didn't tell your sister to go take it off the stove?
She don't.
Do you like the Warriors? Is that your team?
No. Till she talking about your team, the 49ers.
The 49ers suck.
That's my friend in Texas.
Gotcha. Wait, she's in Texas and she likes the 49ers?
Yeah, she from Cali too.
Okay. But I did
some stuff you find some good like documentaries and stuff on there.
No, I agree. There's some, but most of the things I'm like, you just have people talking about garbage that they just want to talk about.
Yeah, that's
and
true.
people are just paying them.
Clean it up, yeah. Faux stitches. All bandage up, y'all.